Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to sell crypto on Moonpay. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top of the screen, as you can see, we have the buy, sell and swap. We also have the Moonpay account, popular tokens that you can go and check out here, as you can see. And in the top right corner, we have notifications, default currency, theme, support, terms and privacy, and you can go, of course, and delete your account. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell crypto on Moonpay. So it is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So as you can see in the top of the screen, we have the buy, sell, and swap option. So as we talked about that earlier, what you need to do to sell, of course, is click on the middle button, click on the sell, and here you will have a screen pop out. Here, just a second, it needs to load. Here, of course, you can go and put in you can put in which token you want to go and sell, to which, as you can see, currency. You can put the numbers here. You'll get as you can see, you get approximately how much you will get BTC, for instance, because I put BTC here, for how much dollars. You can click continue and sell your tokens. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.